Welcome to beautiful Crosslake, Minnesota, where I am here with the Crosslake MarineMax team announcing an awesome event this Saturday, July 13th from noon to 5. We are having our inaugural customer appreciation event here at Crosslake MarineMax. I got my team, Jimmy and Nick here, who are going to tell you everything that's going on.
Hey, we're going to have some live music and we're going to have a lot of boats in the water. Come on up.
We'll be offering instant evaluations on your current boat. Come check out our Barletta and Premier pontoons. We'll also have our Cobalts and Nautiques available as well.
That's right. The boat show and customer appreciation event going on here this Saturday, July 13th. We got one extra special surprise for you. All right, here we are on the gas dock. We got our team member Cole Hagelin here, who's going to let us know what's happening if you come get some gas.
If you get some gas, you get some free ice.
Look at that. You come get some fuel, you get some free ice, or come to our accessories department, purchase a tube, we'll get you a free bag of ice. Lots going on here. It's a Saturday inaugural boat show and customer appreciation event here at Crosslake MarineMax. We will see you here. You're not going to want to miss it.